is up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, afternoon, whatever it might be when you're watching this. Just on my way out to meet up with a 1,000 wheel horsepower pickup. Jared's gonna meet me out where he lives. Try to get some shots of it, try to get some rollers, probably try to get a ride along, and throw some video from the track and a dyno video in here, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hell yeah, I'm gonna get out there. Little handle there for you. Gotta get all that dirt off. 1,000.
Oh, guess who corrected data login?
Who cares? We got a number.
There's a number.
1,000. Alright, dude, we're getting ready to go for a ride this beast. Setting out the camera up. Do you daily drive this thing?
I could, but I leave the house at 5:30 in the morning and it pisses the wife off. And it wakes her up.
I'm sure the neighborhood doesn't really
And probably
enjoy
the
it.
neighborhood. I drove it once,
Yeah,
and then I got an earful when I got home. So
it's got to be nice being so close to the track.
yeah, I think it's like 3-4 minutes.
Right. Gotta love the
My vice grips are too long. I gotta open the
vice
door.
grip window crank.
I have to open the door, otherwise the crank hits the dash.
Right. What's the farthest you've driven this thing?
Post or Coeur d'Alene to here.
Really? So what's the block?
It's a 6-liter block, Eagle rotating assembly, 4-inch stroke,
Is it stock heads or is it
PRC LS3 heads.
nice? What cam's in it?
The Brian Tooley 388 cubic inch turbo cam.
What size is turbo?
It's the Force Performance 80 mil.
80 mil.
I think it's phenomenal.
Seems like it does pretty damn good.
It builds boost about as fast as I wanted to build boost. So
Is it turbo 400? What converter?
that is it's a Cohen turbo 400 and a Cohen converter.
Yeah. What's it stall up to?
I haven't actually tried to get it to see where it finishes stalling at, but we were watching Friday at 4,500 RPMs.
Yeah. The stall makes a big difference.
Yes.
You couldn't imagine trying to do that on a stock one.
Well, the converter that was in here with the
Yeah.
Turbo 350 never stalled, never did anything.
Really?
Just went right through it. And we were doing some street tuning and did a 2-3 shift at like 6,800 RPMs, and there's no RPM change. And then instantly smelled transmission fluid after that.
Right. I think I remember that night. You can feel the acid already trying to get light. It already feels light. Does it do alright on the street or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does 65 down the highway, no problem.
Do you struggle with traction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For now.
Is that 9-inch in the back?
It's what's left of a Dyno 9-inch. Been narrowed 4 inches. Quick performance. Act 35 splines. Quick performance disc brake kit. Does not have a problem stopping.
You gotta love that, dude. You gotta open the door to roll the window. True like farm truck, dude. You say you got this truck, you pulled it out of an orchard?
Yeah. It was sitting out back of their shop. They owned a bunch of orchards in Quincy,
Yeah.
and they bought it in 1971, and it went straight to the orchard. That's just from the blow-off or wastegate.
again.
They'll do that a couple times
And then it'll go away. Yeah. I think it's sideways, like right away.
yeah. And that was quarter throttle maybe.
Right?
I don't even, it's not even on full kill. It's on probably 14, 15 pounds.
So was that 700, 800 wheel?
Right around there. I think the 873 on 16 pounds or 15 pounds.
Ever tried to get it to launch on the street?
Not really.
Yeah. I almost forgot to mention that the truck's bagged.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can literally lay frame in the front.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. And it's made 1,000 wheel. You're like the best of both worlds.
Yeah, it rides nice and drives nice. It was built originally just to be a nice cruising truck, and then it kind of snowballed into what it is.
Right. I thought it was funny when you first got it done. And everybody, including me, said that you wouldn't go 9s first time out. And you ended up going, what, 9?
991, almost 142.
Yeah. 991 142. That's awesome. So after you made the horsepower that it made, did it make you want to put a cage in it?
Yeah, well, it kind of, the thought started with it running 9s.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, this is kind of something that just kind of got serious once it
Yeah.
started doing 140. I was like, okay, I got 2 kids to go home to after every track night. There's
Yeah.
no point in
Yeah, there's no point in
no
trying
point
to.
in fucking around. Trying to get it to hook.
Yeah, you don't have to go crazy, dude. But here she gets it. I can tell how it has like no traction on the street. Like at all.
Needs an alignment.
Yeah.
It's a little twitchy.
I notice when it gets going and it gets under boost, it's kind of floats a little bit.
That's probably one of the downfalls of the airbags.
Yeah.
Little bit of body roll. By a little bit, I mean a lot.
Right. Oh man, dude. That's too much fun, man.
This is probably about as good a spot as any, huh?
You got a little bit of dirt, you probably go past the dirt.
Yeah, probably good going.
Camera adds 35 pounds.
Huh?
I said the camera adds 35 pounds.
Right.
Oh man, dude.
Told you it's got a little bit of body roll.
Dude, it's spicy. Yeah. You had to do a little more, dude. Save it for the track. This thing's pretty cool, dude. I enjoyed the hell out of it.
Just lots and lots of time and effort.
Oh yeah. Well, dude, it seemed like you built it pretty damn quick.
6 months.
Yeah. Yeah, she does good, dude.
Park right over my old oil spot.
Right.
Brand new power steering pump that leaks.
And airbags to boot, dude. So you've aired out the front pretty much, right? Oh yeah. Yeah. I have never in my life seen a 9-second bagged pickup. So here you go. Oh yeah, dude. One more shot of the interior. I'm sure that'll change soon, huh?
It's gonna get more speakers.
Yeah. What's the rear suspension?
It's a 4-link from company back east. No Limit Engineering is what it's
Oh,
from.
okay.
And then I played around with the front bracket to get the anti-squat where I wanted it.
Right. Oh yeah, dude. What pumps are in it?
Fuel pumps?
Fuel pumps? Yeah.
Yeah, they're twin Holly 450s.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And the anodizing on the fill caps already going.
Coming off.
Yeah. Not very happy about that.
Yeah.
Especially when I waited 4 months for the damn thing.
Yeah. I wouldn't be too mad about anything else though. Yeah, so here's the last shot pretty much of the motor. Obviously the bag's down there. You just got to see that. Alright, so what's up with this?
So at Yakima, almost got kicked out because right there is leaking rust and dirt from it being on a farm for 40 some odd years.
Right.
So we had to borrow some duct tape and tape it up.
Oh yeah.
We tried to blow it out with a blow nozzle, but no matter what you did, it just kept leaking and leaking and
Right.
leaking. We didn't get kicked out because not having a cage, but dirt.
Right. Looks like we just missed the rain. It just started raining, so that would have been perfect timing, yeah, for sure. Well, thanks a lot, Carrick, for letting me come out. Thanks a lot for letting me do this. And I guess, oh yeah, no problem, dude, anytime. I'd love to see the progression in this stuff. See where this thing goes, dude.
From this point out, I was just going to try to make it nice.
Right, right. And he already knows he has enough for AIDS, so he didn't want to hear that, but when he was out testing it the other day in the first half of the quarter and then just kind of adding what he already does in the top half, it's pretty close. So he really didn't think he was going to get it, from what I understand. But
We didn't want that to happen.
right. So you might see this truck go 8s. You're probably going to see it go real low 9s, but definitely has probably an 8 in it. So hell yeah. We just missed the rain, dude. Look at this. That would have been pretty sketchy in that truck for sure. My car, you know, it's a little easier. It's still sketchy, but I can't thank Carrick enough for letting me go out and video his truck, and I can't wait to see you know, the progression on that thing. It's gonna be pretty quick. He obviously is planning on painting it, doing some other stuff, getting a hood on it. He built that thing, like he said, in 6 months, dude. Like, but he's had it for like 10 years, you know, like he said, pulled it out of an orchard, and that's what it is today, you know. So hopefully it gives you guys hope if you like doing the same thing. The truck stuff's fun. The truck stuff's a lot of fun. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got a lot of street cars around here I'd like to bring to you guys. Just a matter of getting out and getting the video on them. But hopefully get some more coming for you. We've obviously got winter coming, and it's gonna put a little bit of a delay in some of this stuff, but I plan on trying to get better and better. You know, obviously, hopefully we grow. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, helps me out, helps me get bigger, you know, and be able to bring even more to you guys, you know. So I appreciate you guys watching, and like I said, if you like the video, like, subscribe. We'll keep growing, get better cameras, you know, just keep going. So hell yeah. Thanks, Ian, Carrick.